Welcome to World of Aromas. Today we're going to go ahead and talk about our new product called Vent Scent Diffuser. The best thing to actually have for your cars. It makes your car smell so good. So we're going to go ahead and do a little open box review on this particular product. So we're going to go ahead and dive right into it. Let's start. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and talk about this ultrasonic aroma diffuser. It's called Scent Diffuser Vent Clip, and it's a great product. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this. So basically how this one comes is like this. So it has the Scent Diffuser Vent Clip, comes with 4 different aromas, a charger, and a clip. So let's go over this. This is the clip. This is the wire to recharge, and this is the clip itself. So this one we actually are reviewing today is a black one, but they also come in with white, and it also comes in a gray color. Okay, so how this vent clip basically works is there's a little back end clip that just you can clip it on either direction. So you can either clip it on the sideways, or you can do it horizontal way, so vertical or horizontal, either way. And to remove the clip, it's very easy. It's magnetic clips right at the bottom, so it just magnetically connects it. To put the cartridge in, you have to take the cartridge and open it, and then insert it from the bottom. So you just basically take that and insert it. Now just remember that the clip, the tip on the top is open. So once you put the cartridge inside, you cannot turn it upside down. Because if you turn it upside down, it's not going to work. Now the charger port is also at the bottom, as you can see. You clip it, cover it, and put it on your car. And that's it. Now to turn it on, you just have to go and hold the button for 3 seconds, and the diffuser will start. Now it will diffuse every 400 seconds. So if it will diffuse one time, and every 400 seconds it's going to diffuse again. If you want to go ahead and make it more sooner, you have to press it one more time, and the light will turn blue. When the light will turn blue, basically what it will do, instead of 400 seconds, it's going to go ahead every 200 seconds. So it's going to give you one puff every 200 seconds. And it just keeps doing it until the unit runs out. Now also the good thing about this particular unit is that once you put it in your car, and if your car is turned on, it will work. And if your car turns off, the unit turns off. And when you turn on your car, the unit turns on again. And if you really want to go ahead and like forcefully turn it off, you just hold it for 3 seconds and the unit will turn off. So this is the unit. Now it comes with 4 different scents. You have assorted different scents. So we actually always have like 4 different kind of scents with it. So you can pick any one of those scents, or you can get refills too. So we can go over the refills in the next review. And I'll go over how to put it in a car in the next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so this clip, basically in my car right here, go ahead and show the camera. Basically it's on horizontal on the side. Now this one actually can be done on either direction. So if you have like vents that are straight, you can put them on the straight side that are here, or you can actually go ahead and put them on the side. So I'm going to actually put it in the middle. So I normally do is I actually put them in the middle. As you can see, they're like horizontally set up. And what I do is now I'm just going to go ahead and clip it to the side, and it's ready to go. Now I can actually go ahead and press the button, turn it on, and basically this unit is turned on. Now every 400 seconds I'm going to go ahead and get a puff that's going to come out, and every 200 seconds if I actually press it to the blue light. If the blue light is on, that means it's gonna be the purple light on. It's gonna do it every 400 seconds. And if I would like to put it on the side of the clip, what I would do is I'm just gonna go ahead and take this, switch this to the horizontal side, as it's done to the horizontal side, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clip it here. Now it's gonna be done on a horizontal side, and I can just go ahead and turn it on, and it will work just like any other diffuser.